So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Dallin? Are you Dallin?
Dylan.
Dallin, okay.
Okay.
Hi, drive. I'm in a hurry.
You're in a hurry?
Let's get going.
Okay, where are you headed? Can you confirm your
I'm headed
destination?
to Santa Monica.
Just Santa Monica?
Santa Monica?
Okay.
Not
Right.
Santa Monica.
Okay. Oh, I don't allow eating in my car, actually.
Oh, that sucks.
No, like, I'm serious, you can't eat in my car.
I didn't have breakfast, so
Okay, well,
I got all the goods. I got the blue corn. You have
no,
stuff?
so you cannot,
That's
definitely
super
can't eat
good,
chips.
super crumbly.
Maybe the nuts.
Mmm.
No, no liquids either. Did you spill?
No.
Did you? I have napkins.
Nope.
Okay, you better not. Okay, actually, you
Sorry.
can't drink in my car. I don't allow drinking in my car. Like
Well,
that.
I'm paying you, so I allow it.
You will allow.
I allow for me to drink.
No,
And
that's.
since I'm paying you,
You're paying
that's
Uber
how
to
it's
get
gonna
from point A
go.
to point B. And
I'm paying you.
I'm an independent contractor,
Is the money
so I
going
have.
to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Therefore, my cash that I earned, that I worked for, is depositing into your bank account.
Okay, well, this
So
is my car, so I also worked hard to get this car, and so, like, can you just respect my car, please?
You worked hard to get this car.
Yeah, I had to work minimum wage jobs, actually.
Minimum wage jobs? You poor thing. Well, I'm gonna help you upgrade to a new car by paying you to drive me. So
I'm still paying off this car. Like, I'm not trying to get a new car. Okay, I'm serious. You can't eat, though.
oh, drop one. That's okay. Got it.
Can you? Okay, I'm gonna hit you with a cleaning fee if you spill. So.
That's a nut.
Yeah, exactly. It's a nut.
I'm on singing practice. Yeah.
You're going to singing practice?
Whoa.
No, can you
Trying to
please
hit my
not?
vocals.
I
And I
didn't.
said, whoa. Yeah.
What are you
Who's
singing?
your favorite artist?
My favorite artist.
Give me something hard. I really want to challenge.
Are you gonna sing the artist, or can you rap too?
I can rap. I can do it all. I'm very versatile.
All right. How about Kanye West?
Praise the Lord. I don't know. Give me another one. Someone with more, tune. I want to hit the high notes.
Justin Bieber.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Drop dead gorgeous, make you drop dead gorgeous, you killer. Follow you with all my intentions. These are my only intent. Can you drive a little straighter?
Can I what?
Oh, I'm getting nauseous. Can you drive a little straighter?
Well, it's a curved road. I
know,
can't
but
really.
just go straight on the curb. Don't curve it so much.
If I go straight, I'm gonna hit this side of the road.
Well, you're gonna make me car sick.
Okay.
And I'm gonna vomit in your car, and you're gonna be stuck with this car.
No,
forever.
you're not gonna vomit in my
Vomit
car.
everywhere. All these nuts on me, and just
Can you just like be normal?
be normal. Excuse me.
Like you're being
You know
really
what?
weird.
You know what, sir? I'm asking you the exact same thing.
Okay, if you take another sip, I'm kicking you out of my car.
One,
You don't take
two,
it. Don't. No. Do not take another sip.
5.
I'm serious.
6.
If you get to 10, I'm kicking you out.
7. 8.
Do I need to kick you out?
9. 10.
Okay, you're like disrespect. You're mocking me. Can you? Okay, I'm serious. Can you stop that? That's gross too.
It's not gross. That's really rude. Is it because I'm a girl? Is that why this is about? Are you gonna kick me out because I'm a girl?
Yeah, I'm gonna kick you out.
You only like boys? Is that what? Well, you know what? That doesn't work. That doesn't work in this area. You can't just kick me out because I'm a girl. You get that?
What is it? What are you on?
Are you sexist?
Are you on drugs?
Are you sexist?
No.
Then why are you kicking me out?
Because you're drinking in my car when I asked you to kindly.
I'm gonna sue.
You're gonna sue me?
I'm gonna sue.
Okay, well, there's a witness right here. There's somebody.
Female.
You're a female, so you're gonna sue. Okay, there's a gas station right up there. You can call another Uber from there.
I'm not calling another Uber. I'm staying here, sir.
No, get out of my car.
No.
I'm done with this. I don't get paid enough for this. Can you get out of my car?
Clearly.
Get out. I'm only gonna make $3 on this ride.
Well, if you would drive me to my destination, you would make more. I'm not getting out, and right now you're starting to get on my nerve.
Get out of my car now.
You know what happens when you get on my nerve? I start to do things that I am not gonna appreciate that I did later. You get that?
You mean you're gonna regret them?
Yes.
Just get out. Get out of my car.
No, I'm not getting out of your car.
You're a weirdo.
I'm not getting out of your car.
I'm sorry, but like you're not welcome here anymore.
I'm not welcome here.
No.
You know what? You pick up strangers
I
all
thought
day.
you were
I'm
cool
the
at
best stranger
first.
You picked up.
I thought you were cool at first with your singing, but then it started getting a little annoying, and now can you just get out of my car now?
No, can do.
Do you want me to call the cops?
Nope. You want me to call the cops?
I'm ending the ride.
I think I'm gonna call the cops.
The ride's over.
I'm not getting
The ride's over. You can get out.
911.
Are you seriously okay, you're in my...
No. I'm just kidding. I'm not calling 911. I'm not crazy.
Just get out. It'll make our lives both easier.
No, it won't. It will make my life a lot harder. Did I already mention?
Get out.
That I'm late, so you need to get driving?
Get out of my car. Get out of my car, please.
Accelerate, please.
You're not on my trip anymore.
You know what?
What? Hey, what are you doing?
Feel, huh?
Ow, what are you doing?
Huh?
Get out.
No.
You get out of my car. Get out. Get out. All right, guys, that was clearly very fake.
I don't know. I think you were probably convinced that it was pretty real by my awesome acting skills, but
yeah, you were pretty good at acting. That singing too
was fake. Yeah, and that scream. Wow.
Yeah, guys, we wanted to make this video to show you. I know it's fake and all just fun and games, but these things really do happen when you're driving Uber. Sometimes you will get passengers who are a little
I've seen it firsthand.
Uncooperative.
I literally have a story somewhere in Rideshare Hub's YouTube channel that I was in an Uber pool and the chick in the front seat attacked my Uber driver.
Oh,
she was hitting him with her purse. So I've seen it happen. Yeah,
so if you do, we won't get into that whole story because that's for another video. I want to keep this short. But if you do have a passenger who attacks you, don't do what I did. Don't attack them back. Because if they end up getting hurt, then it just looks bad on your part as well. If you do get attacked, well,
report it.
Self-defense. If it is bad, like obviously she just hit me with their bag and was like leaving, but if somebody's gonna hurt you, use self-defense.
Especially when you're driving. Hopefully it's when you're stopped if they do decide to hurt you.
Use protection if you have it. I know some of you guys like to carry self-defense weapons. I'm not going to say what you can or can't do. I'm not God. Do what you want. Better safe than sorry. The best thing you can do is call the police. Call the police as soon as you can and file a police report too. Because you could have a case if anything. But yeah, we just want to say stay safe out there when you're driving for Uber and Lyft. This is a rare case, but it does happen.
This is an exaggerated case, probably. We hope.
No, these things definitely have happened. Oh yeah, I mean they
do happen. Yeah. It's true.
But it's probably like 1 in 1,000 or 1 in 1,000,000. Not 1,000 maybe.
Yeah, when you're picking up strangers though.
Yeah. So and these will probably happen at night. So if you want to drive safe, you want to have safe rides, drive in the middle of the day. It's way less likely that you're gonna have a passenger attack you in the middle of the day. If you're driving in the middle of the night, 3 a.m. in the middle of nowhere, no one's around, weird things start to happen. Get a dash cam if you want to record your rides too, and again, have some form of protection, or even put up a sign saying that this ride is being like recorded for safety purposes and whatever. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Do you have any other words of advice for drivers in this situation?
No, I don't. Maybe just talk to them calmly, try and calm them down.
Yeah.
I think besides that, if you pick up a crazy person, you pick up a crazy person.
You definitely will get like a little crazy people.
Especially at night, and they're...
I picked up a guy one time. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. He was homeless, and he was going to the homeless shelter. He was, I don't know, he had a free ride, or I don't know, maybe he had a phone, I think. But anyways, he was very mentally like unstable, and he was in my car, and it was just me and him, and it was at night, and I was just being as nice as I can, and he was getting really mad at, like, not at me, but at the world, and I was just agreeing with him. Like, you don't want to what's it called, like, negate what they're saying so they get like mad at you.
Yeah.
Just like,
and it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just agree with them. It's not like, even if you don't agree with them.
Yeah.
You get a crazy.
But that's a rare case when you have someone who's like a little crazy. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a video thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and we will talk to you all soon.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Be safe.